Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now before us, let's look at this question. And this is x raised to 2 minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. And we have to evaluate x raised to 6 plus 1 all over x raised to 6. Okay, so how do we go about it? We will need to work with the equation given for us to evaluate this question. Okay, so let's come here. You have x raised to 2 minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. Now, first of all, I want to come up with an expression like x plus 1 over x. Let's start with that. So, let's divide the equation by x. So, by dividing through by x, so we get to have that this eliminates it, this eliminates this, so we're left with x minus 3, then plus 1 all over x, then equals 0. Okay, so let us rearrange this. This gives us x plus 1 all over x, then minus 3 equals what? 0. If we add 3 to both sides, then we have that x plus 1 all over x then equals 3. So at this point, what do? Now let's raise both sides by 2 first. Now raise this by 2, raise this by 2. So we end up having, if I have to expand it, take note, this rule only applies to any algebraic expression like this raised to the power of 2. So x raised to 2, where we have x squared. Now x times 1 over x will give us 1 times 2, that will give us plus 2. Then plus 1 over x raised to the power of 2, that will give us 1 over x raised to the power of 2. Then, and 3 raised to 2 will give us what? 9. Okay. So at this point now, what do we need to do? Let's subtract 2 from both sides, and by subtracting 2 from both sides, our right hand side here will become 7, because 9 minus 2 will give us 7. So here we have x squared, now plus 1 all over x squared, then equals 9. Oh, sorry, equals 7. That's because 9 minus 2 here will give us what? 7. Okay, so at this point again, let's raise both sides of the equation by 2. Okay, so here we have x squared plus 1 over x to the power of 2, then r raised to the power of 2, it then equals 7 raised to 2. Okay, so applying the same rule we did here to this place, you have x raised to the power of 4, because x squared raised to 2 give us x raised to the power of what? 4. Okay, then plus x raised to 2 times 1 over x raised to 2, that will give us 1, because this will undo this. So here we have 1, and times 2, according to the rule, here you have 2. Okay, then 1 all over x squared raised to 2, that will also give us 1 all over what? X raised to 4, then equals 49, because 7 raised to 2 is what? 49. Okay, in this case again, let us subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. We have x raised to 4, then plus 1 all over x raised to 4, then equals 49, take away 2, that should give us 47, because if we have to subtract 2 from both sides, that will be the result. So here we have 47. Okay, so now looking at this equation, recall that if you have x raised to the power of 4 times x raised to 2, this will give us x raised to what? 6, because we'll sum up the exponent, right? Okay, so let's come over here, let's multiply this by this. So here we have x raised to 4 plus 1 all over x raised to 4, then equals x raised to 2 plus 1 over x raised to 2, then equals 47 times 7. Okay, so x raised to 4 times x raised to 2, that will give us x raised to 6. Okay, now x raised to 4 times 1 over x raised to 2. So that should give us x raised to 2, because x raised to 4 times 1 over x raised to 2, the same thing as saying x raised to 4 minus 2, giving us x raised to the power of what? 2. Okay, so then this 1 over x raised to 4 times x raised to 2, that should give us 1 over x raised to 2, 1 over x raised to 2, then plus 1 over x raised to 4 times 1 over x raised to 2, that will give us 1 over x raised to 6. Then 47 times 7, here you have 9, then 32, Okay, now but recall here that x raised to 2 plus 1 over x raised to 2 will give us what? 7. Okay, so let's do that. So here we have x raised to 6 while we arrange, then plus bringing 1 over x raised to 6 together with x raised to 6, then plus the whole of this now gives us what? 7 here. So let us plug that in, then equals 329. So let us subtract 7 from both sides of the equation. We have x raised to 6 plus 1 over x raised to 6 equals 329 minus 7. This will give us what? 322. So x raised to 6 plus 1 over x raised to 6 equals what? 322 as the final answer. If you love what I've just done, ensure you share this video to other learners, like my page, subscribe to my channel, and remain blessed. Bye bye.